Hi, I'm Beth Kingston, and today I'm going to show you how to make a paper turkey decoration just in time for the holiday season using the Xyron Creative Station LIte and the Xyron 1.5-inch sticker maker. So there are a couple of supplies we're going to need. You're going to want some 1x12-inch pieces of pattern paper. I've already folded those in half and stapled those. You're going to want the turkey body, which I made cutting just an oval with another half oval on top of it. You can do this with your die cutting machine. You can hand cut it however you like. Then you want to use a piece of cereal box or chipboard, and you're going to cut a circle that fits just inside the turkey body. Then you're going to use, you're going to have a couple other embellishments, some feet, the beak, and you're going to want a black pen, a piece of ribbon, and a stapler. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to take all of my strips of pattern paper. I've already done this to most of them, but you're going to take your pattern paper, fold it in half, and staple it at the bottom. These are going to be our turkey feathers, and then I like to just sort of crease it at the top. Then we're going to take our Creative Station LIte and run both the turkey body and the piece of cereal box through the machine. So I'm going to insert that in. And in this case, it's okay if it hangs over a little bit on each edge because we just need to get adhesive on as much as we can, but we don't need full coverage. So I'm going to go ahead and give these both a little bit of a rub. And first, I'm going to peel the cereal box off and lay it with the adhesive facing up on my table. Okay. So then I'm just going to take my folded feathers and I'm going to start on the bottom and just sort of lay them where I think they would look great. And there's no rhyme or reason to this. They don't have to be a certain distance apart. And if they're overlapping a little bit, remember we're going to put the turkey body on top. So that's going to give us a little extra adhesive. And you're also not going to want to put any down here at the bottom because that's going to be the base of the turkey. So I've got these all on here. They're all stuck pretty good, but now I'm going to take the big part of the turkey body and lay that right down on top, and that's going to hold everything together in one place. Now I'm going to take the sticker maker and I'm going to run all the small embellishments through there. So I've got 2 feet. And a beak and a little gobbler. Once those have run through, I'm just going to give it a little bit of a tear. I'm going to rub it, then peel off the clear film. And now I'm ready to put those embellishments on. And last but not least, I'm going to take a pen and just draw 2 eyes. And then if I want to use this as a door hanger or a piece of wall decor, I can actually thread some ribbon through, tie it at the top, and it'll be ready to hang.